Samsung's newest tablets are here. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. Does the S10 Plus justify its higher cost, or is the FE Plus the smarter buy for most users? Let's break it down. The S10 Plus features a 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support, delivering richer colors, deeper contrast, and smoother visuals. Meanwhile, the FE Plus comes with a larger 13.1-inch IPS LCD, but drops to a 90Hz refresh rate, making it slightly less fluid. However, it has a higher 1800 by 2880 resolution, though its pixel density is slightly lower due to the bigger screen. When it comes to design, the FE Plus has thinner bezels, 85.0% screen-to-body ratio versus 84.3% on the S10 Plus, giving it a more immersive look. In short, if color quality and smoothness matter most, the S10 Plus is the better choice. But if you prefer a bigger screen with slimmer bezels, the FE Plus has the edge. The S10 Plus runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, while the S10 FE Plus is equipped with the Exynos 1580 4nm. Both chips are solid, but the S10 Plus outshines the FE Plus with its stronger CPU and GPU capabilities. When we check the Antutu score, the S10 Plus hits 2,058,129, while the FE Plus reaches 900,768. And this shows the S10 Plus clearly delivers more power for gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps. The S10 Plus comes with UFS 4.0 storage, meaning faster loading and data transfer speeds, whereas the FE Plus has UFS 3.1, which, while slower, still handles regular tasks smoothly. In terms of gaming, the S10 Plus's Immortalis G720 MC12 GPU gives it an edge over the FE Plus's Xclipse 540, ensuring smoother gameplay and better frame rates. Plus, with the S10 Plus featuring a vapor chamber cooling system, it keeps things cooler, allowing for extended gaming sessions without overheating. In conclusion, for those focused on gaming and powerful performance, the S10 Plus stands out with better performance, faster storage, and advanced cooling. The FE Plus remains a solid choice for casual users and everyday tasks. Both the Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 FE Plus come with a 10,090 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without running out of power quickly. When it comes to charging, both tablets support 45-watt wired fast charging, allowing you to get a significant charge in a short time. The Tab S10 FE Plus also supports QC 2.0 for additional charging flexibility. Bottom line, no real difference in battery life or charging speed. Both devices provide long-lasting power and fast charging. Both have a 13-megapixel main camera, f2.0 autofocus for sharp and detailed shots. No major difference in the primary sensor. But ultra-wide, the Tab S10 Plus includes an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, f2.2 for capturing wider scenes. The Tab S10 FE Plus lacks an ultra-wide sensor, meaning it relies only on its 13-megapixel wide camera. AI features? The Tab S10 FE Plus has best face AI processing, which optimizes group shots and low-light photos. Meanwhile, the Tab S10 Plus supports HDR, enhancing dynamic range and lighting balance in photos. Video recording? Both tablets record at 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 30 FPS, delivering high-quality video output. Selfie camera? Both feature a 12MP ultra-wide front camera, f of 2.4. 120 degrees FOV, perfect for group selfies and wide-angle video calls. However, only the Tab S10 Plus supports HDR for selfies, improving contrast and lighting. So if you need an ultra-wide rear camera and HDR selfies, the Tab S10 Plus is the better choice. But if AI-enhanced processing matters more, the Tab S10 FE Plus holds its ground well. The Tab S10 Plus comes with a sleek aluminum back and an enhanced armor aluminum frame, offering a premium feel and enhanced durability. The Tab S10 FE Plus also has an aluminum back and frame, but lacks the reinforced armor design of the S10 Plus. In terms of size, the Tab S10 Plus is noticeably thinner, 5.6mm versus 6mm, and lighter, 571 grams versus 664 grams, Wi-Fi models. The FE Plus model is bigger, 300.6mm versus 285.4mm in height. Both tablets are IP68 rated, making them dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Great for everyday reliability. For storage, both models support expandable storage via micro SDXC, a plus for those needing extra space. However, only the 5G versions of both models support Nano SIM plus eSIM, while the Wi-Fi variants lack SIM support. If you prefer a slimmer, more premium build, the Tab S10 Plus is the way to go. But if you're okay with a larger, slightly heavier design, the Tab S10 FE Plus offers a solid experience. The choice depends on what's more important to you. The Tab S10 Plus will receive 7 years of Android updates, while the Tab S10 FE Plus is set to get 4 major updates. This means the S10 Plus offers better long-term software support for those looking for a more future-proof device. Both tablets come with an under-display fingerprint scanner, providing quick, secure, and convenient unlocking. Additionally, the Tab S10 Plus supports wireless Samsung DeX, giving you the ability to turn your tablet into a desktop-like experience without the need for cables. Both the Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 FE Plus feature stereo speakers tuned by AKG, ensuring clear and immersive sound. There's no 3.5mm headphone jack on either device, so you'll need to switch to wireless audio. The S10 Plus starts at €1,000, while the S10 FE Plus is priced around $250 cheaper. S10 Plus is worth it if you want faster processing with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, smoother multitasking, and performance-heavy tasks. If vibrant colors and deep contrast are important to you, S10 Plus has the edge. Premium build quality with enhanced armor aluminum for durability. Wireless Samsung DeX support for a desktop-like experience. Better camera performance and wider shots. S10 FE Plus is still great if you prefer the Exynos 1580 chipset and still want solid performance at a lower price. You don't mind the IPS LCD display, as it still offers good brightness and sharpness for most users. You want a slightly lighter tablet with a small difference in weight. You're looking to save money. So, which one are you picking? The premium features of the S10 Plus or the more affordable option of the S10 FE Plus? Let's discuss in the comments.